Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fenya and I'm your personal esthetician. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about how to use active ingredients such as BHAs and AHAs to treat dark spots or acne. But before we get started, you guys know the drill. Like and subscribe, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. It's Guidance to Glow. Let's get started. So let's begin with this video. The first thing I want to do is make sure my face is nice and clean. I've already cleansed my skin. I do have eye makeup on because I don't want to scare you guys, but I have no foundation, no concealer, no face product. So first things first is I cleanse my skin with a gentle cleanser. I use this gentle cleanser. It is from my company. It's called the Gentle Face Wash. It is very light, gentle, cleans your skin without stripping your skin. So that's the issue with a lot of cleansers out there, is it strips your skin and causes sensitivity. So when you have acne, you're using a harsh cleanser such as benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid, it strips the skin. It doesn't really treat it. So here's the thing. People think, if I have acne, let me use a benzoyl peroxide because it's going to treat my skin as well. Cleanser, you're literally doing this for 30 seconds to 45 seconds. It can't possibly treat your skin within 45 seconds of cleansing. So I always say use a gentle cleanser. That way you have wiggle room. You want to make sure you have room to do other things such as, let's say, benzoyl peroxide treatment or salicylic acid treatment or whatever you want to do with this retinol. You have wiggle room to be able to use other products. When you use a harsh cleanser, you don't have as much room because you sensitize your skin. So what I like to do after cleansing is use my Phyto Calming Serum. Here's my Phyto Calming Serum. It has arnica, cucumbers, and aloe. Not Amica, arnica. That's the best, you guys. Oh my gosh, that was like the best trial ever. Anyways, go back to skin. So what I like to use is my Phyto Calming Serum just to make sure my skin is calm in a cool state. Because of the arnica, the cucumbers, and aloe, it helps to soothe my skin to go into my next step. The next step would be the Luminance Serum. So this serum has about 8 different acids. It has glycolic acid, salicylic acid, ferulic acid, vitamin C, azelaic acid, arbutin, kojic. So yes, this could be used to help brighten your skin as well, but I like to use it as a spot treatment too. So it does both. So if you have a pigmentation or dark spot, will work just fine. So now let's talk about how to treat acne or pigmentation. The correct way to go about this is you don't want to use these active ingredients on a daily basis or even twice a day. You want to give your skin a break. So what I like to do is I like to apply, let's say if I have a pimple, which I do, I will demonstrate soon. I have 2 up here. What I like to do is I like to spot treat it every other day. Now, if it's active acne, if it's just redness or it's starting to become a pimple but not quite yet, I give it a little bit of a time to make sure it actually becomes a pimple, because chances are sometimes these are hormonal breakouts, they're swelling, it goes away on its own. So I don't like to aggravate it by spot treating it because you can potentially cause pigmentation, or you can potentially cause PIE, which is post-inflammatory erythema. Now quickly, I want to talk about these pimple spot treatment patches or whatever they're called. I don't really care for these because the problem is, yes, you got rid of the pimple, you left the patch on for 24 hours or the whole day or whatever you did, it can burn your skin. There are ingredients in there to help with the acne. So if you're suffocating the skin with this treatment, this salicylic acid that's in the patch, it can burn your skin. So what ends up happening is now you have a pigmentation to deal with, which lasts about another 3 weeks to 4 weeks. Let's not do that. Let's treat it correctly and not leave a long-term damage on the skin. Okay, so now let me demonstrate how to actually use the Luminance Serum or any type of spot treatment you want to use. Now, this particular one is pretty active, guys. So please don't use this in any other way but the way I'm showing you right now. So let me bring the camera closer and let's get in there. All right, guys, don't get freaked out. I know it's really close up. Okay, let's move the hair back. So I have 2 pimples right here and a little pigmentation right there. So I'm gonna spot treat my skin 2 nights in a row. Give my skin 1 night of a break. That way you give yourself time for your skin to heal then target the pimple again if there is pus. My Luminance Serum is more of a gel base, not so much of thin watery consistency, so you don't need a lot, you just need very little. So we're gonna take the serum. I'm literally going to take a drop. I rub it between my fingers. Again, it's gel consistency, so a little goes a long way. And I'm just going to massage it into my skin. I don't leave a chunk because you're gonna burn your skin, not just with this product, with any product. You want to massage it into the skin and force it into your skin, right? And I'm gonna rub my finger again because I have a little left over right above my brow, that pigmentation right there. Now I'm gonna give myself a little bit of time just so the skin can absorb the product and get into my skin before I apply my moisturizer. So it's been about a minute. Now I'm going to, yeah, it's pretty much dry. Now I'm going to apply my moisturizer. I like to do this because I want the skin to absorb the product, the ingredients in there to actually do something versus applying the moisturizer right over it and I just spread the product all over my skin and not to where it needs to be. So the moisturizer I'm going to be using is the Moisture Renew. This is oil-free, lightweight moisturizer. I love this in the summer. I'm oily skin type, so I use this throughout the year, but summertime, it's amazing. So let's take a little bit. Now I like to take about this much. Let's move the hair back. And again, guys, I have no foundation on, so. All right, so this is how I treat my blemishes or discoloration. If I have a discoloration, same concept. 2 nights in a row, I use a brightening serum. Again, you can use a Luminance Serum because it has a lot of brightening ingredients as well. 2 nights in a row, I spot treat it, give myself a day of a break, then I do it again. All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I wanted to be short, sweet, and to the point, just the way we like it, guys. Hopefully this video was helpful, educational, and if you guys have any questions, thoughts, concern, comment down below and I would be happy to help. And I am very active on my social media, my TikTok and my Instagram, so if you have any questions, you can follow me there and I would be happy to help. See you guys on my next video. Talk to you guys soon. Bye!